Hi, I'm Riva Riley, and I'm a scientist studying Cory catfish at the University of Maryland. I am also a stand-up comedian. And on Thursday, October 19th, I'll be bringing my unique blend of in-depth science and fishy comedy to the Wood End Sanctuary as the guest speaker at Nature Forward's annual meeting. I'll also be exploring the topic of my fellowship, how institutions of science can and should facilitate a more inclusive research environment, and how early interventions are critical to achieving equity in science. So please, come out on October 19th. You'll laugh, you'll learn, you'll have an annual meeting.